नमस्कार। ग्रेटमैन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं। कोविड-19 महामारी के इस दौर में मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आपका परिवार पूरी तरह सुरक्षित है, स्वस्थ है और बच्चों ने लॉकडाउन में बहुत एंजॉय किया है। अब मैं आपका सपोर्ट चाहता हूं। इस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चों की शिक्षा को हम अब स्टार्ट करते हैं और बहुत ही जल्द जो भी आपका बैकलॉग है हम उसको क्लियर भी करेंगे और एक नए तरीके से आपकी शिक्षा अब स्टार्ट होने वाली है। पेरेंट्स का हमें पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए। आप लोग पिछले 10 सालों से लगातार हमें सपोर्ट करते आए हैं और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि अगर हम और आप मिलकर चाहेंगे तो बच्चों की शिक्षा का कोई नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है और हमें और आपको मिलकर अब एक रीस्टार्ट करना है। नाउ लेट्स रीस्टार्ट। बेस्ट ऑफ लक। नमस्कार।
Hello children, I hope you all are safe and enjoying a lot at your home. And I know you all are missing your school and classrooms also. But now you don't have to miss your classrooms anymore, as I, Miss Priyanka Jain, is here to start with your online classes for the subject Social Science. Before we start the chapter, I would like you all to open the book while watching this video. It will help you to understand the things properly. So let us start with the chapter. First we'll take an overview of this chapter. In this chapter we'll learn about globes, maps, types of maps that are political maps, physical maps, thematic maps. We'll also learn about directions, scales, color and symbols. Our Earth is the most significant part of the solar system. This is the only planet where life prevails. Our Earth comprises of large land masses called the continents and the larger water bodies known as oceans. Their positions can be located on the Earth with the help of globes and maps. We know that our Earth is spherical in shape. Towards the poles, it is slightly flattened. But the realistic view of our Earth could be viewed only through the globe. What is a globe? Have you ever seen a globe? The globe is a small and true model of the Earth. It is a three-dimensional model. It is very informative. A globe gives us detailed and correct information about the shape of the Earth. Both the poles, latitudes and longitudes, oceans and continents are shown on it. A globe gives clear idea about our planet. A small globe is easy to handle, but it gives little information. A big globe is difficult to handle, takes a lot of space, and it cannot give the whole information. So the solution is maps. Maps can solve this problem. A map is a drawing of the Earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Maps are easy to handle. The details are shown in the form of different symbols, words, lines and colors. It is very difficult to understand that how much information a map can contain. A detailed map is not less than a voluminous book. We can draw different types of maps showing the whole Earth or a part of it on a flat surface. It can be folded and even printed in the form of a book. We can have maps showing different continents, countries, states, or even your city or village. We can plot a lot of information on a map. The science of map making is called cartography. Now, we'll study about the different types of maps. Maps can show different features such as crops, minerals, cereals, and even means of transport. Wall maps are huge and used to display. Now, we'll learn about different types of maps. Our first type of map is political map. Political maps which show different countries, state, administrative divisions, cities, towns and villages in a country. Second type of map, physical maps which show different physical features such as mountains, rivers, plains, plateaus and other features. Third type of map is thematic maps which show details of a certain theme such as rainfall, forest, soil, weather, roads and crop distribution. We use a variety of symbols or signs on a map. These are called the conventional signs or symbols. These are used to show various features. Now, we'll learn about directions on a map. There are 4 major directions are called cardinal directions. These are north, south, east and west. How we can find the directions on a map? Place a map on a table or hang it on a wall. Now you can see the top of the map always shows north, the bottom of the map shows south. The direction in your right hand side is east and in your left hand side shows the west direction. Let's see these directions in the map of India. We'll find Nepal towards the north, Sri Lanka in the south, Myanmar in the east and Pakistan in the west. Once we are sure about the main directions, we can learn about the sub-directions and intermediate directions like northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest and so on. Now we'll learn about scale. Suppose we know the actual distance between 2 places, but we cannot show the actual distance on a map. Map shows smaller distance. Thus, there is a ratio between the distances that is actual and that is shown on the map. This ratio is known as the scale of a map. This can be shown in 2 ways, by statement or by linear scale. By statement, if the actual distance between any 2 places on the ground is 1 kilometer and the distance between the same 2 places on the map is 1 centimeter, then we can say that 1 kilometer on the ground is represented by 1 centimeter on the map. Now, how can we learn the scale of map by linear scale? In this method, a line is divided into some equal parts. The length of each part shows the map distance between 2 selected places. Now, we'll learn about the color scheme shows on a map. We can use colors to show different features. Like we have seen, blue color on a map shows the different water bodies like rivers, ocean, seas and so on. The dark blue color shows oceans. The light blue color shows shallow water bodies. On a map, green color shows the land. As we go higher, the color start changes. Like when we go up, the green color changes to yellow. As we go higher, it changes to light brown. As we go more higher, it changes to dark brown. As we can see, the mountains are colored with the dark brown and the northern plains are colored with the green color. We can use colors to show different features on a map like soil, the physical division of India and so on. Now we are moving towards our next topic, that is conventional symbols or signs. What is conventional symbol or sign? You must have noticed that the location of a town or a city is generally marked with a small circle on the map. It is the sign or symbol for the city. The boundary between two countries is drawn by a line of dashes and dots. Railway lines, roads, rivers and many other types of information can be shown with the help of various symbols. Some standard symbols are shown here in this picture. These symbols are made according to the scale. These can be drawn in different colors. A key on a map explains the meaning of these symbols. Now we are going to wind up our chapter. Before winding up, I would like you all to maintain a notebook for doing the exercises and the activities of each chapter. So for this chapter, I am going to give you one activity. You have to draw a sketch of your locality and show all the important landmarks on it. I hope you will love to do this activity. The notes, worksheets and assignments related to these chapters are given below in the link in the description box. You can refer those. And if you have any query, any doubt or if you want to leave any comment, you can write this in the comment box. Now it's time to wind up. But before wind up, let me tell you, in our every video we'll learn about one good habit. So today's good habit is wash your hands properly with soap and water for 20 seconds. Stay safe, stay healthy.